Hey guys, Brad again here. I thought I would go ahead and show you the show, walk a couple aisles, or at least one aisle, show you the different various booths so that you can kind of see what has happened here at MJBiz. So I will turn the camera around and we'll start. Looks like some form of extraction right here. Looks like we're gonna have to walk around. Here, let's cross over this other group. I've been down this aisle already. We're gonna switch over here. Look at this extraction vessel. Holy God. That thing is a whammo. So it looks like, I don't know what the hell this is. Some type of big extraction equipment beyond what I've seen before. Pretty crazy. Best grinder. It's the best grinder here. There ain't no best grinder. Okay, come down this aisle here. This thing is just enormous. This would be, I would say, the size of maybe 3 or 4 football fields. So, kind of big, but just a little bit about everything. If you're looking for investment, you can come. There's all kinds of booths here with people that are willing to invest money. Everything about any type of packaging, anything that you need for extraction or cultivation, anything like that. Anything and everything that requires you to have a cannabis business, it is here. But as I tell everybody, you have to be very cautious of what you're doing and how you're doing it in the cannabis business. I don't care how much money you have and throw at it. If you don't have the right team, they won't know what to do with the culture. And I see a lot of companies coming in and out of the cannabis space just because they don't understand the market and go out and build these incredible facilities but don't understand the market, and the facilities are way too big for production in the market, which then collapses them because of their overhead. Here is Leafly. This is how, with Canada Daddy's, our dispensary, this company right here catapulted me into the #1 dispensary in Oregon because of using their advertising platform. Very creative in how we increased our dollars that we spent and the return on the investment that we get. That would be called an ROI. But oh, look at it, we got some neon lighting right over here. This is another pretty damn cool extraction vessel right here. Now there's some amazing stuff right here. This looks like some beautiful isolate right there. So there's a thin film distillation right here. How are you?
Oh yeah.
There we go. Kind of food is going on. These are ovens right here. This is how we make shatter in the world right here. You can kind of see they've got a little sample. I would imagine that this is either a mock-up or it is a hemp material being out in the show, because you can't have cannabis out here legally, but it doesn't stop anybody because nobody knows the difference between hemp and marijuana. So here's another company, extraction companies, enormous size vessels. So you can see that the amount of money that's needed to come into this business and compete, it's just a whole nother level than what it was 3 years ago. Take a look at the people, all business oriented people. So there you go. We will do another video, but we have to go to a lunch meeting, so off we go.